Let's say we want to find the highest mark for every student. But the challenge is the data is jumbled up in one cell. Subject names, columns, numbers, line breaks, all mixed together. How can we do this? Let's create a new custom column and name it Top Marks. First, let's remove everything except numbers and line breaks. I will use Text.Select function. What is happening here? I am telling Power Query, hey, keep only the characters that are digits from 0 to 9 and keep line breaks. Throw everything else away. That means it'll get rid of words like maths, English and other subjects, as well as columns and spaces. We only care about the marks. And we want to preserve the line breaks because they separate each mark. Much cleaner, right? Step number 2. Turn the text into a list. Now that we have a block of clean numbers separated by line breaks, let's split it. We will use Text.Split function. This part takes the cleaned text and splits it wherever it finds a line break. Now we get a list of values like this. These are still text values at this point, but now we've separated them nicely. Why is this list format important? Because once we have a list, we can loop through it and do things like convert the values or get the maximum value. Step number 3. Convert text values into numbers. Here is how we do it. List transform loops over the list, and for each item we use numberFrom function to turn it into a proper number. So our list now becomes like this. Much better. Now we can work with it numerically. The last step is also the easiest. We will just use listMax. Let's wrap the whole thing inside listMax, which returns the largest number from that list. And that's it. So this formula grabs all the marks, converts them to numbers and finds the top score for each student. Exactly what we wanted. And as always, if this helped, give it a like. See ya!